Last year I took a load of strawberry cuttings from my existing plants, and you can see that in a separate video, but now I need to plant them out, and I've got at least 100 of them, so I'm running out of space of where to plant them all. So I come up with an idea, and that's by using some old guttering I've got laying around. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to mount it on here onto the railway sleeper, and fill it with soil, put the strawberries in there, and see how we go this year. Okay, so this is how we're going to do it. So length of guttering on top of the railway sleeper with an end stop. I didn't have any actual caps that go on the end, so I just made something out of a piece of wood. So just screw that in, and then screw this directly straight into the sleeper. So this guttering was just, like I already said, stuff I had lying around in the garden, but I didn't have the end stops. So what I'd done was get a piece of wood to actually just make them a little end stop just like this. So very simple to do. Couple of screws in there, and then we've got the guttering nicely sealed at each end. And now we're ready to put the soil in and the strawberries. Right, so that's all the guttering all in place now. So all we need to do is put some compost in and then plant the strawberry plants themselves. So this compost, it's stuff that I made myself. It's just literally 50-50 mix of garden waste that's composted and with 50% soil from the garden. So all we've got to do, place it into the guttering, and then grab a strawberry plant. And as you can see, look at all the roots in there. That's really going to go well. So we just plant it in, break it up a little bit and plant it in. And then onwards to the next one. Loosen up the soil again. Add a little bit more soil. Give them quite a good spread hand spacing between each one. Don't want to crowd the plant, get plenty of air around it, and there we are. So it's time for the final one. We've got all these in, all looking good. So what we do to go to make it fit into the guttering, which is quite shallow, is squish this down. But what it's doing as well is breaking up the roots, opening the roots up. So then I can place it straight into the gutter, put soil around it, and that's it. So what we need to do, which is the most important part of all of this, is just water it in. So all I do, go along like this, but then come back to it in say 10 minutes or so, because the water at the moment is probably sitting on the top. So by coming back in 10 minutes time, it will allow the water to soak in and then give it another soak. And then I'll do this for the next few days. And the only other important thing with it being in the guttering is the fact that there's not a great amount of soil in there, so it will need to be daily watered. And all I can say is that all these strawberries that come from this are completely free. I grew the strawberries, the plants myself, the soil I've made that, and the guttering was just something that was knocking around the house. That's it.